Okay, now let's look at the down position, which is where the weight hits the ground, and this is important to get the vitality in your animation. First we'll look at positive. Look at how the front leg and the back leg are bent, and also the arms are wide apart, the widest in the animation. And end with a stick figure so you can see it clearly. Now the down goes at frame 125, so you can actually type that in and start to make your keyframe there. Again, we're doing the pose as close as possible to the image that we've got in the corner. So you can see his back leg bends slightly. Again, the front leg is forward in this pose. Take your time to get it right. And the good thing is now the rig, even though it's set, we can move the arms and the legs position slightly. So if I want to tweak the negative space so the limbs are wider apart. Also the wrists slightly bend as well. So if you look at the reference image, so I'm just tweaking those at the moment. Okay, so you can see that it does create some weight, but we need to do the other pose now as well, so the opposite of the first contact. It's good to keep checking your animation as you go, just to see if there's any mistakes or it's accidentally keyed something you didn't want. Okay, so it looks like a limp at the moment, again because we haven't added the second position. So now you want to go to frame 625, do the same pose but with opposite opposing limbs. So now you can see his front leg is back and his back leg is forward. Remember again to check your arms oppose the legs, so it's opposite. Now if you right click on anything, any object on your figure or on the bones there, you can also hide them. So if you need to hide it when you animate, you can do that. So it's a very good tip. So just tweaking the arms a little bit more here. And there we go. So it's starting to get there. Now it's got a bit more weight.